Have you ever wondered why viruses are so infectious? How do these tiny, non-living entities manage to wreak havoc on such a large scale? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of viruses and unravel the mysteries of their infectious nature. Viruses, despite their minuscule size, are powerhouses of trouble. They are not alive in the traditional sense. They don't eat, grow, or reproduce on their own. Instead, they rely on host cells to multiply and survive, rather like uninvited guests who not only overstay their welcome, but also make a mess of your home. So how does a virus infect a host? Picture this: a virus has just one mission: to reproduce. But to do that, it needs a host. When a virus comes into contact with a suitable host, it latches onto the host cell and tricks it into letting it inside. Once inside, the virus takes over the cell's machinery and uses it to replicate itself. The newly formed viruses then leave the host cell, often destroying it in the process. These new viruses go on to infect other cells, and the cycle continues. This process is what leads to the symptoms we associate with viral infections, from the common cold to more severe diseases like influenza or HIV. The infectious nature of viruses is due to their ability to mutate quickly. These mutations can enable a virus to infect different types of cells or even different species. This is why viruses like the influenza virus can infect both humans and animals. Now, viruses don't just infect humans. They can infect a wide range of hosts, including animals and plants. Some examples of viral diseases in animals include rabies in dogs, feline immunodeficiency virus in cats, and avian influenza in birds. These diseases, like their counterparts in humans, can range from mild to severe, and in some cases can even be fatal. In summary, viruses are tiny, non-living entities that infect host cells to survive and reproduce. Their infectious nature is due to their ability to mutate quickly, allowing them to infect different types of cells and even different species. They are responsible for a range of diseases in both humans and animals, some of which can be severe or even fatal. Understanding viruses and their infectious nature is crucial in the fight against viral diseases. It aids in the development of vaccines and antiviral drugs, and in the implementation of measures to prevent the spread of viral diseases. So while viruses may be tiny, their impact is anything but. And that's why it's so important to understand them